In this domain tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to buy a domain name step by step from start to finish. Registering a domain name is a quick and easy process. I'll be guiding you through the entire process of buying a domain name, consisting of choosing a domain name register, choosing your domain name, choosing a domain extension for your domain, along with completing your domain name purchase, including getting a domain name discount. Let's get started with the domain registration tutorial. To begin the process of buying a domain name, you want to choose a domain register. A company I personally use and recommend for registering domain names is Namecheap. Namecheap powers over 16 million domain names around the world and offers cheap domain pricing, along with providing you with free domain privacy for life. I provide a link to Namecheap in the description below so you can check them out and easily follow along with me in this quick and easy domain name tutorial, plus save money on your Namecheap domain purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be here on the Namecheap page. You'll see you can easily type in the domain name that you'd like to have for your site, where it says register a domain to start. The domain name is going to be the name of your business. A domain extension is what your domain name ends in, like .com, .net, and .org to name a few. .com is the most popular domain extension, so I'd recommend going with a .com if you can. The domain extension will vary based on your needs. For example, if the business you are running is country specific, you might want to choose a domain extension specific to that country. I'll type in a domain name for this tutorial. I'll have it end in .com. I'll click the search button. On the next page, it'll say if it is available or not. If it's available, it'll say available. If it isn't available, it'll say it is taken. You can choose to make an offer or select a new domain name that isn't taken. You'll see next to a domain name promo code if Namecheap is offering any domain name discounts. You can hover over the eye icon to get more information on this. I'll show you how to type in the Namecheap promo code here later in the checkout if one is offered at the time of your purchase. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it and copy it to paste shortly. You'll see all the different domain extensions you can choose from with the pricing. Click Add to Cart when you're ready to purchase a domain name. You'll now see a few things you can add to your cart if you want anything else. SSL certificates, WordPress hosting, web hosting, a VPN, business email, and premium DNS. Click the checkout button when you are ready to proceed. Where you see domain registration, if you click 1 year, a drop-down will show where you can select how long you want to purchase your domain name for. You can choose to select auto renew if you want your domain name to renew at the end of the term. You'll see domain privacy being enabled. This comes free with Namecheap domain name purchases. You can choose to have it auto renew if you'd like. You'll see premium DNS. You can choose to enable this or not. You'll see promo code over to the right. If the domain name you are purchasing had a promo code offer, you can input it where it says promo code. If your domain name didn't have a promo code button, click confirm order and you can now create your Namecheap account. The domain name I'm purchasing had a promo code, so I'm going to paste the promo code from earlier. I'm going to click apply. You'll see a notification show up here at the top. You'll just need to create a free Namecheap account to use the promo code. I'm going to click create a free account. Input the information you'd like. Click create account and continue. Paste the promo code. Click apply. You'll now see the discount amount showing. Click confirm order to proceed. Next, you want to input your account information to be used with Namecheap. Click the continue button. It'll now give you all your information. You'll see domain privacy being selected to associate this to the domain and enable at the time of purchase. It's recommended to keep this selected. Next, you'll see under Show Additional Settings, you have the option to select the configuration above to my default checkout settings. Click the Continue button. You can now input your payment information, input your card information. You can also select PayPal for your payment, or you can select Account Funds, which gives you the option to make a payment via Bitcoin. You'll have to add your funds in the Namecheap dashboard for this selection. Scroll down and you'll see the receipt details section. Just make sure this is correct. Next, scroll down and you'll see the renewal settings for your purchase. You can select any of these that you'd like. I recommend selecting the automatically renew all of my eligible new services before expiration. This will select all the selections. Feel free to change anything that you'd like. Next, click the Continue button. You'll now receive a receipt for your Namecheap domain name purchase. You've successfully purchased your domain name with Namecheap. That is my domain registration tutorial on how to buy a domain name step by step. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more domain and hosting tutorial videos.